Beautiful day, the sun is shining. Lovely day here in Halifax, Nova Scotia province of Canada. And just taking it easy today. Taking it easy. I stepped out for a little bit. My name is Canadian SIMBA from Kenya. And you can see the flowers here, beautiful. Just here, just like I'm gonna wipe up my car for a little bit. See, it's a big risk, but whatever. See, it's not safe here in Halifax for SIMBA or for a retired person. I don't know why, but it's just how it is. So I just wiping my car. I got this car a few months ago, actually about 1 year ago now. I've not been able to drive it or to use it because some people have been trying to create a lot of necessary issues. See? So I'm not able to drive the car, but I'm fixing it slowly. It's an old vehicle. You can see it's an old vehicle, but I'm just fixing it slowly. And walking towards my retirement here in Halifax, Nova Scotia province, Canada. You can see beautiful flowers here in the these flowers are amazing. You know what they do? They close during the night and they open during the day. It's amazing how they do that. They're very intelligent. Human beings think we are intelligent, but the flowers are more intelligent than us. So I don't know whether they are more intelligent, but they are quite intelligent. It's amazing, beautiful flowers here. All life just springs up from the ground in this season. So anyways, just to appreciate each and every beautiful thing in life, in the world as it is, because all of us want to be appreciated too for who we are. See, all of us want to be appreciated too somehow. Yeah, just cleaning up the vehicle here. Sorry, I just got into this cleaning mode here. It's quiet, taking it easy. No rush, no stress. See, the plants here. They don't go minding other people's backing business or your financial business, or you're trying to shut down people's business and stuff. Human beings are different. I don't know if the plants are jealous of each other. I don't know about that. I don't know if the plants are jealous of each other or whatever. Who knows what plants do or what other things do, or what other people do and stuff. But human beings have things like that, or you can see the plant is happy and opening up and stuff like that. Probably has its own type of emotions as a plant or as whatever. Who knows? And just how things are in life, I suppose. See, the interesting thing with human beings is we make plants probably make their own chemical things and how to protect themselves and stuff. But the plant does not necessarily decide or manipulate it to figure out, oh, I'm going to go and, I don't know, bomb 10,000 people or start a war in Iran, bomb all the trees and plants in Iran or whatever. See, the plant doesn't do that. The plant doesn't do that. See, so I don't know why human beings do that. I don't understand that. But I'm not a expert in psychology and stuff like that. So I just take it one day at a time. See, just one day at a time. Just one day at a time. A single day at a time. That's a beautiful car. Look, it's like a military vehicle. It's like a military vehicle. See, all kinds of beautiful things coming out. All kinds of beautiful. In this warm season, people come out to their beautiful, precious cars that are antique or whatever. See, all kinds of amazing things like that. We should do this quick so that we can go in. It's not safe for SIMBA outside. I don't know whom it is safe for. It's not safe. The SIMBA is not safe for anyone. It's not safe for SIMBA. It's not safe for a child. It's not safe for. Then Canada is not safe. See, or Halifax, Nova Scotia is not safe. But the same Nova Scotians are the ones that are being bullies or being led to be bullies. But whoever is behind it could be like, I don't know, roommates or maybe like other people. Hello. Have a good day. It's a beautiful day, eh? It's a beautiful day, eh? Yeah, where are you from, my brother? You look so happy. Where you look so happy. Where are you from?
I'm from Dominican Republic.
Really?
Yeah.
You do merengue or do you do salsa or do you do what do you do?
I don't dance very much.
Really?
Yeah, no.
You're missing out, man. A little bit of salsa, merengue, a little bit of I love cumbia. Cumbia is amazing. Cumbia, and bacha-cha. Bacha-cha is like, and then they have these new ones coming up, like a blend of the ones from Mozambique and the ones from Cuba and the ones from. Yeah. They have those blends. They're in. There's a place they have. What's that place called? They have a place where they are on Barrington Street. Yeah, where they have they dance in the waterfront sometimes. Caliente, yeah, Caliente. There used to be a place called Copacabana a long time ago. Yeah, oh, jeez. Then there's a place in the north end there, on not North Street. It's at the Commons. There's a pizza shop at the Commons, and then there's a Spanish restaurant right at the corner there, and they usually have they have comedy. Yeah, Punta Cana. It's yeah. Anyway, what's your name? Muraki and the lady, what's your name? Yeah. You made a good choice. That gentleman is amazing. See, this one. If you get a chance to visit Kenya and I visit Dominican, okay? Blessings to you and your family. Have a wonderful day. My name is SIMBA from Kenya.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've just been here 25 years. I moved here about a year ago, and I just retired, just taking it easy.
Pleasure meeting you, sir.
You too, thanks. Have a wonderful day.